So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your notifications on your Android phone are just randomly missing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I recommend doing here for the most part is to just go through and double check that that particular application that you're trying to go through and actually get notifications from, the notifications are turned on. So make your way over into your settings application, just right into here. And then what you want to do is you want to go inside of notifications. So right here, you have a notifications panel. So just tap right into that. You'll come into here, tap on app notifications. And then right here, you want to go ahead and make sure all of your notifications for your applications are turned on. So just go right into here, enable all your notifications just like this. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. It really is that basic. And that kind of is the very first thing I would recommend doing. Now, once you do that, the next thing I'd recommend doing here, which is pretty basic, is to just go through and just restart your device. So hold down the buttons to restart your phone, whatever buttons they are, and go ahead and restart your phone. For a majority of people, if you just go through that and just power off and restart it, that can be a very, very easy way of kind of going through and fixing and kind of going through this problem as well. So just go through, try doing that. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. Now, if that still doesn't work, you may want to go through and just make sure you're not on some sort of focus mode or do not disturb mode. That's another thing that a lot of people may experience as well. So just go through, basically just make sure that your phone is not in some sort of do not disturb mode or anything like that. If it is on like it is here, you pretty much just want to go ahead and turn it off. Turning it off is going to be the main way to go and fix this problem as well. And that's another really, really easy way of kind of fixing this problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.